to use your Visa gift card on TikTok shop. So firstly, open up your TikTok shop and then do your purchase, like add whatever item that you want to purchase, just add it to your cart, just go to the checkout page. So whatever you want to buy, just go for it, browse it, do all your browsing and everything, add it to your cart and go to your checkout like how we normally do in any other online purchasing. And once you get to the checkout page, that's where we're going to like use our Visa gift card for the payment. So just go to that page there. And once you get to the checkout page here, so under the payment method here, you will see the option where it says add debit or credit card details, where we normally enter our other bank card details. So basically it's the same place or the same way we are going to enter our Visa gift card details as well, because it's also a Visa card, so it's pretty much the same way. So tap on this add debit or credit card option there and you'll get to the screen here. Simply plug in the details of your Visa gift card, so the card number and all those things. Just plug those details and hit on continue. And once you've added it, select the card as your payment method. So just make sure you have selected that card. And once you're done, just complete your purchase and just place the order. And that's how you can use your Visa gift card on your TikTok shop.